Hi everyone, welcome. Today we have this platform called UseWhale, and this is the best training, onboarding and SOPs software. So before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So make sure to try that out. Now jumping straight onto the platform, we can see currently I am onto the dashboard and I can directly start a live training session from here, or you can have this knowledge base section. Since this is a platform for training and onboarding, we have this type of features. You can also get started with assignments. So if you want to simply create new assignments, you can do that as well. You can see we have bookmarks that we have saved, and if you want to add, like for example, members, you can enter, click on this option on the top right side and invite new members to Whale. Invite, you can simply use you can say like different type of @ and after that you can see we have member and user group. So once you add that, you can click on invite users, he will be invited. On the left side you can see we have the home, and after that we have various other boards that we can go for. We can create a board using this create board option, enter in here board name, and you can also assign members to it. You can see if you click on these three dots, you can edit it and you can change the board name and permission, who can edit that. You can also change its color, so it is really amazing. So below you can see your training. This is basically a premium feature, and it is going to be offering to create a quiz, create AI powered quiz. You have training flows and suggestions. So amazing platform for training. Of course, you have your analytics to have a better idea of your activity onto the platform. You have your experts, so these are going to be the experts related to different training programs, your views, and finally you have your org chart. And yeah, so talking about its review, here you can see Whale has transformed how we share key business info with our teams, easy to use with robust features and functionalities. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.